Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pass the Stripe fees to your customer. So let's start. First of all, make sure to log in into your account with your right credentials. Once you're on this dashboard, go to the plus button top right corner, create, click it, and then select invoice. Now once you did that, from here you want to create your invoice layout. Select your customer, after that your currency. Make sure to select the right item. Now when you select the item, in the item details, you can see the item options drop down, select it. After that you can see the item taxes, select the tax rate. From here create a new tax rate. From here you can modify the tax properties. From the type, the region, you can leave it empty. And the most important thing, which is the rate, I usually select 2.9 and switch include tax in price from no to yes. After that select add tax rate, it will be added successfully. Now you can continue modify the other properties. After that select save. As you can see here, the tax is added successfully. You can now let the customer know how much tax he will pay and how much the product costs individually. And that's it. After that select send invoice and you can continue with the process. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.